recover, whatever. Okay, so what we're gonna do is to close everything, starting from the saksakan and the lights and everything. To, pero because we're not done yet, dinig na tayo. Dua. Wait lang. We need to put some lipstick sa corner. Ayun. Dami natin talaga na. Dami kong talaga. Because I bring everything. So that, okay, diba? Sa'yo. Tama. Okay, close. Close. Nasaksak lang ay freezer. Ay! Sa'yo. To prepare tea. Paubos na yung bigyan ni Mami. Ayan, direct na gamit. Thank you so much, Mami. Mami, sa iyong gift. Kahit hindi na ako na nag-work, everything is under control. Okay, ang nakasaksak na lang. Again, extension ang nakasaksak here. Everything is okay. Everything is under control. Lahat napasok na. Yung emergency light, okay lang yan na nakasaksak. I'm gonna bring all my stuffs.